Hey, welcome back to Hoory AI's How-To series. In this episode, I will show you how to configure your Hoory AI account. Let's get started. To navigate to Account Settings, click Settings from the left sidebar. Then select Account Settings at the very top of the list. Within this section, you can personalize your workspace by defining its name and choosing the app language. If Conversation Continuity is enabled for your account, you have the option to specify the email address from which users will receive emails, if all the agents are offline or the customer has left the chat and conversation continues through email. Additionally, you can define the number of days after which a ticket is automatically resolved if there is no activity. Finally, you can define the number of days a resolved ticket is automatically archived. Towards the end of this section, you can find your account ID. It's a crucial component for API-based integrations. You need to copy and paste your account ID for such integrations. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More features are yet to come.